Charles, your trusted voice in helping you get your collection and credit problems resolved. Having over 2 decades of experience in management in the debt collection industry has allowed me to know firsthand what you can do to solve your collection issues. Although our economy is starting to recover from the economic downfall that started in 2006 and 2007, there are not only millions of people that have not recovered, but because of this, there are thousands of others that are burdened with one or more accounts in collection firms. If you can relate to what I have just said, here are some easy things you can do to help solve your collection problems. Number 1, do not panic when you get a collection call or a collection letter. If you panic, you are prone to make quick decisions which can result in you paying out more money than necessary. Number 2, you should not make hasty payment arrangements, especially if you have more than one account in collections. Don't forget, it is a bill collector's job to get you to pay as soon as possible. Try to give yourself 7 to 10 days so you can take into consideration all of your other financial obligations. Number 3, don't accept the first settlement offer you get from a bill collector. Be prepared to go through at least 2 or 3 stages of negotiations. Number 4, don't give out your financial information to a bill collector. Once they have this, they have the upper hand in the negotiation process. Number 5, don't argue with bill collectors. Arguing with bill collectors can result in them recommending that you be sued. Number 6, keep records of all payments. If you have more than one account in collections, it is not unusual for creditors to mistakenly send paid accounts to another collection firm. Don't make payments by Western Union, MoneyGram, wire transfer, or debit card. Not only could this cost you an average of $8 to $15 a payment, but you will probably never be able to get your money back if you change your mind. Do not set up automatic payments. You need to have the flexibility to make payments based on your financial situation. Number 9, create a hardship letter to present to a bill collector. By doing this, you will say the same thing to each collector every time. If you would like some more detailed information on how to start fixing your collection problems, go to tiredofbillcollectors.com and download the groundbreaking book, Stop the Insanity, a guide to stop bill collectors from driving you crazy. If you have collection problems which you need help with, please do not hesitate to call me at 313-744-5977 or 313-613-0637. And of course, you can email me at gethelpnow@tiredofbillcollectors.com.